So the first element of HTML we're gonna have a look is heading. So heading, now if you see heading, this heading, it is in comments, so if you want to put anything in HTML as a comment, it will not be passed. So if you want to see the source code of your HTML, which is index.html, you just go on your page on web browser, right click and see view page source, or you can, there is a shortcut as well, which is Control U. So right click, normal click there, and you will see that the code which you are looking at, this is that one, the heading. These everything, it is generated by live server, so you can ignore this one. From here till there, this is everything is automatically generated by live server, because we are using an extension, so that's why. So the thing which I want to show you is that one, the heading. So I put heading in comments, so it is in comments, we cannot see on our page. So the first element is a heading, and the shortcut for heading is H1, and as we have installed the extension, so you just hit tab, it will automatically complete. Okay, so this is heading 1. You see, now heading element goes from 1 till 6, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let me change this one, it is 2. So this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Maybe you are wondering which shortcut I have used to copy. So just put your cursor there and you press on Shift Alt and arrow down key. Shift Alt and arrow down key, you will see tuck tuck tuck. So I have to remove all this one. I can already put here, which is